Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Dodge Journey, stock number 6528. This ran from the 7th 2011 to the 12th 2016. It has a JC 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a V6 3.6 litre petrol engine. The front headlight has stone chips. Left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,